Class is nothing but a template. Class is nothing but a template. And what is an object? Object is an instance of a class. What is an object? Object is an instance of that class. Class is just a template. For example, we all belong to human class. We have 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 eyes, right? So this is the class template that has been created by God. And now, using that class template, we have different humans. For example, Ajay, Rahul, Megha, they are different humans. They are nothing but an object of the human class. Right? And they have their unique capabilities also. Every object has their unique capabilities also. So that is what a class and object is. So we will be having a class in our program through which we can create different objects, right? And that different objects can have their unique property or can have that same property as their class. Okay. So this is what do I mean by class.